We're coming up on Emancipation Day 2021. It's a time when we commemorate the Slavery Abolition Act of 1833, which abolished slavery in most parts of the British Empire, including here in Canada. We have another week of really interesting presenters this year that I'm excited to introduce to you in the week leading up to Emancipation Day. You'll meet author and poet Tiana Ridley Padmore. In 2020, she released this book, Trailblazers, the Black Pioneers Who Have Shaped Canada. It's a children's book that introduces readers to Canada's Black history. Josiah Henson is one of over 40 Black Canadians profiled in the book. Tiana will discuss the importance of commemorating Emancipation Day and share a reading of her poem on Reverend Henson with us. This is Kramer Wimberly. You may recognize him from the television series Enslaved. The 6-part documentary uncovers the hidden history of the transatlantic slave trade. I say hidden because the series approaches this dark chapter in human history by locating and examining sunken slave ships on 3 continents using new diving technologies. We'll talk to Kramer about his experiences as the lead diving instructor on the program and how he was able to give a voice to the countless Africans who lost their lives during 400 years of slavery's Middle Passage. Canadian independent filmmaker Moses Latigo Odita will share a special cut with us of his new documentary, Why We Protest. The film examines racism here in Canada. The powerful voice of London vocalist Alexander Kane will have you singing along. She'll be joined by singer, performer, and worship leader George McLeary, also of London. And we've invited our good friend, Chef Patience Chiriza, to demonstrate the cooking of one of her favorite dishes. You'll also be able to book a free virtual tour of Uncle Tom's Cabin historic site during this week-long commemoration. It begins July 26th with something new to experience each day throughout the week. So check back regularly for updates on our website, heritagetrust.on.ca. I hope you'll be able to join us for Emancipation Day 2021 as we reflect on the past with renewed hope for tomorrow.